Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to transfer Litecoin from Metamask to Uphold in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets quickly and securely, you're in the right place. This process is easier than you might think, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's jump right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need the Metamask wallet extension installed on your browser with some Litecoin in it. Also, ensure you have an Uphold account set up and verified. It's your destination for this transfer. If you don't have these, pause here and get them sorted. Step 1. Open your Metamask extension and select the Litecoin network. Metamask supports various networks, so double-click on the network dropdown and choose Litecoin. If it's not listed, you may need to add it manually by going to the settings and importing the Litecoin network details. Don't worry, I'll link a resource in the description for that. Step 2. Head over to your Uphold dashboard. Log in, navigate to your Litecoin wallet, and copy the deposit address. This is crucial. Make sure it's specifically for Litecoin to prevent any errors. Uphold might show you a QR code too, which can be handy if you're on mobile. Step 3. Back in Metamask, click on the Litecoin asset you want to transfer. Hit the Send button. Paste the Uphold address into the recipient field, and enter the amount of Litecoin you wish to send. Remember to leave some for network fees, as these can vary based on congestion. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully. Check the address, amount, and fees one last time. If everything looks good, hit Confirm, and approve the transaction with your wallet password or any required security steps. You'll see a confirmation on the blockchain. Typically, it takes a few minutes, but keep an eye on it. Once it's done, log back into Uphold and verify that your Litecoin has arrived. Congrats! You've successfully transferred your assets. A quick tip. Always use this on a secure network and enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your crypto safe. If you run into any issues, check the official support pages or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit that bell icon. What's your next crypto move? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.